One cute elephant went out in fun, slipped on a banana peel while on the run. He laughed and said, "Oh dear brother!" Then called out loudly to another, "Come here, come here, come here." Two cute elephants went swaying around, fell in a bucket of colors on the ground. They saw the colors and got a little shy, then called the third cute elephant nearby, "Come here, come here, come here." Three cute elephants went swaying around, got stuck in a balloon forest they found. They saw the balloons and felt a little scared, then called the fourth cute elephant who cared, "Come here, come here, come here." Four cute elephants jumped in the pond, splash, splash, water flew up and beyond. The fish said, "Wow, what a sight!" They called the fifth friend with delight, "Come here, come here, come here." Five cute elephants started going home, got stuck in a flower basket all alone. They saw the flowers and smiled so bright. The gardener came and showed the way right. All the cute elephants started to jump. All the cute